fancy surprise.
Yeah.
Do you need help with the tape?
Wait. Keep
I
going, Bubba.
Oh, you have tape on your foot?
I got it. Open.
Oh, whoa!
Woo.
Look at that!
Get it.
Wow.
I'll open one. I'll open
No, it's his birthday, sweetie.
I'll ask him.
No. Just let him do it, okay?
You want to come over here and see?
Bubba, I will.
What's that? Are those stickers, Bubba?
Bubba, can I help you? No.
Right, so let's sit
Come
down and
here.
watch.
Come with me, sweetie.
Mama,
What is that, Bubba?
I'll watch him.
Look at his face.
He got corn. Bubba, I'll give these to him. This is Bubba.
Wow, look at this package.
What does he have?
Okay.
Bubba, here for your birthday.
Thank you, Sedona.
This for your birthday. Look up.
Truck.
Yeah.
What's this, Bubba?
Oh,
What's in
I
it?
think I know what it is.
What is it, Bubba? What is it? Ooh, what is it? Let me play the game. There's a ball. There we
What's
go.
in it?
Mommy, please give me that ball.
Is this a tool set? A tool, look. It's a drill?
Tools, Bubba. Let me see your tools. Let me see your tools.
Do you like it, Bubs?
Is that a tool?
No.
Yeah, that's a drill. Is that a drill? You take it out?
Mommy, please give me that ball.
You want to take it out?
No.
No, you want to leave it in the box?